Yes, of course.
Para nakakayang tumabi sa kanya kasi naka-Amerikana eh. Ilahay ito sila ng mga Hapon. So, yung pangasawa ng anak niya ay Amerikano. Kaya hindi ko na alam kung anong tawag doon. Kasi pag Pilipino, mistiso, ay pagka yung foreigner, ano kaya tawag doon?
Oranger.
Thank you for everything you do for me. Thank you for loving me more than yourself. Thank you for your patience since day one. Thank you for your example and teach me how to be brave, especially in times of hardship. I thank God for giving me such a blessing, a best friend, and I know best husband too from now on. Last night, I pondered about the blessings related to my mother and my blessings. One of those is I'm able to find a man who is worthy to enter the house of the Lord, the temple, and marry you for time and eternity. I testify that man is you. I'm thankful I found you. I'm so excited to be with you forever and establish our love. I really know that our future children, they are shouting with joy in this moment. Because one of the most important events in our lives. Always remember that I'm so incredibly in love with you. I love you as you are. I love you since immortal life and you forever. If I have opportunity to meet our Heavenly Father, I will hug him and show my gratitude because he gives me you. I love you more than my life. You are my world. You are my everything. I have many reasons why I love you so much. One of million reasons is being Christ-like. Wow. No one is perfect, but because of your Christ-like attitude, I can say that you are perfect. You have so much strength that I am amazed. And I also want to be developed. You are what I need in my life. Lastly, I want to take this opportunity.
Hi. Sure, everyone puts to a family picture. Everywhere it is.